At least 10 people are thought to have died in a train derailment in Moscow. More than 100 have been injured after a train went off the rails between two stations during the morning rush hour. Injured passengers were carried on stretchers out of metro stations, and helicopters ferried the most seriously hurt to hospital. Some look stunned after being helped to the surface by emergency services. A spokesman for the Emergencies Ministry said a power surge caused the train to stall and several cars to derail. Early reports from Russian news agencies said that 20 people had been trapped in one of the damaged rail cars. There's currently no talk of foul play.